people having problems with the remote. So I'll show you an example. So about the camera, it's a bit crap. You go on remote, you want to add a library, passcode, we're going to iTunes. So you go into iTunes, put the code in. iTunes loads up, and there is no device there. The way to fix it is go to Edit, Preferences, you go into Sharing, Share My Library, My Local Network, Share Entire Library, OK, right, that's setting in, exit iTunes, restart it. Right, it's loaded back up, and now you should see it in devices. Click on that, passcode 7429 7429. So you're verifying remote passcode. It's now able to control iTunes. Then you just play a song.
Yeah.
Change the volume, whatever.
Just like whatever I say.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.